This video will show you how you can appear offline in Epic Games. Without further delay, let's get on with the video. Unfortunately, Epic Games does not allow users to set their status to offline. If you go and check your profile picture or your initial at the top, you'll be able to see a green indicator which states that you are online, and there is basically no way to appear offline in Epic Games, but there is a workaround to this situation. You can simply go and click on your profile initial at the top right and click on settings. Once you open up settings menu, check the box right in front of enable offline mode browsing. Now disconnect your PC from the internet and then close the Epic Games app. Restart the computer and open Epic Games, and you'll be asked to log in again. Once you log in, you'll be taken to your offline library. That is the only way you'll be able to appear offline in Epic Games. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back with more of these quick tutorials again. Thanks for watching.